Here we have a Kenwood DMX7722DABS. Now it's installed in this Land Rover Defender. Now, let me turn the volume down. So this stereo has a 6.8 inch touchscreen. It has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It has DAB radio, and obviously normal radio, Bluetooth for hands-free calling, and also Bluetooth music if you don't want to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Also comes with a USB lead, so you could charge your phone from it if you wanted to do that. As a stereo, it's very comprehensive, does everything you need to do really. Now what we've done, we've installed it in this Land Rover Defender. Now this Defender, as standard, only comes with a single DIN slot. I'm going to show you a picture of how it was before. And what we've done now is replaced it with this complete new fascia, a fitting kit. It had like loads and loads of buttons on top of here as well as on the side. So it comes with a relocation plate. So it comes with a plate that goes on the side here that we have to install, and then that's where we fit most of the buttons to. And obviously giving us a double DIN aperture for the actual stereo. Now this actual fitment is really good. It looks very genuine. It looks like it's part of the vehicle, and all the buttons fits perfectly with them. So as a fixture, all works really well. We also done a reverse camera on this, so that's your reverse image. And with this, we used a camera that's actually been designed for the Land Rover Defender. There's an absolute dedicated camera for this. If we go around the back, I'll just show you that. And basically that's the camera there, and you've got the rear washer there. And I'll show you a picture how it looked before the camera was in there. There you have it. That's the Kenwood DMX7722DABS installed in this Land Rover Defender.